Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Brandnav. Brandnav is a tool that will help you to find brands, and it will help you to find B2B leads from brands basically. And see, they're saying that Brandnav has the world's most accurate and frequently updated database, ideal for lead generation, market research, and data enrichment. And as you can see, they are saying that it's best for marketers, sales managers, and small business owners. If you see the lifetime deal pricing of this band nav, it's only 79 USD. Here you will get unlimited access to all 15 million plus e-commerce companies, 20 searches per day, 2000 stores export per month, one user, and if you stack more, then you will get more data basically. So these are the things. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Brandnav and let's explore how things work and how it can be helpful for us. But before that, see, this tool has gotten 30 reviews on AppSumo, and everyone is giving here 5-star review. So I think the tool is helpful for the people. That's why people are giving 5-star review, right? Right. So let me go to the dashboard and let's explore. See, this is the dashboard, guys, and it's very easy to use, very simple dashboard. Here you will see all the brands, and I haven't searched anything, and that's why you are seeing here Amazon.com, eBay.com, Samsung.com. So these are the biggest company worldwide, right? So dealing with these companies is very hard, I think, but you can find your targeted brand here. How? See, there have the search option. You have to at first search your targeted country, which country you want to target. Let's say I want to target United States. Let's say, let me search here United States of America, and let's say I want to also target India. So I'll search here India. So you can include or exclude countries. See, and there have option to exclude also. Select all and exclude these two country. You can do it, but I want to include these two country. And then here you can filter estimated monthly sale. Let's say I want estimated monthly sale from 6,000 to 35,000, and I'm not sure what this 6,000 means. This 6,000 means 6,000 USD or anything else. I'm not sure about it. I hope they will mention it here, guys. So these are the things. And then here you can select language. Let's say I'll select English UK and English US. And here you have to select your targeted industry. This is the most important factor, guys. Let's say your targeted industry is, let's say, medical. You can search it medical equipment, medical health and safety accessories. Let's say I'll select a medical equipment, and let's say dental care. You can search your target country sorry, target industry here basically, and then you have to select it. So these are the things. Let me search here medical again, and then I'll select it. See, I have selected here two industry. In this way you can select as many industry you want basically. I hope you get idea. And after doing everything, you have to just search here. Now see, this search will consume you the credit. Here if you go to the lifetime real pricing, here you will get 20 searches per day. So whenever you will search one time here, it will cost you credit. I hope you get idea, guys. Let me increase this amount from here. Let's say I will give here 100k maximum, and then now if I search it, then one credit will be consumed from my day. And then see, these are the companies who are basically in these conditions. I hope you get idea. Also you can see on which country they are operating, which is their monthly revenue, and I think this is the estimated revenue. And you can see their domain name, and also you can see the platform. That means on which platform they are creating their website. See, this kidscrone.in, they are basically on custom build platform, but this the dentalbeer.com, this one is a Magento platform. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. This ismailscentral.com is using Wix platform to create their website. I hope you get idea. But here one thing I am not getting here, the B2B email. See, let's say I'll visit to this website. Here see bhagedental.com, and here you will be able to see the website. Now here you have to use another tool to get the B2B email basically, but it would be nice if I can get the B2B email also here, but in this tool I cannot get it. Now how can I get it, guys? See, I have one extension here, Tomba. This is the extension. Whenever I will visit to this website, it will give me all the emails that are available on this website. So you can just copy and paste, or also you can basically collect these emails, and then you can use these emails for your B2B lead generation feature or for your B2B email marketing campaign. And how to use Tomba: if you go to Passivern YouTube channel and then if you search here just Tomba, then you will get the complete tutorial about Tomba, and this is a complete review video about Tomba. I'm using Tomba, guys, every day in my B2B lead generation work, and it's a recommended tool. See, this is the tool that I have gotten, and they are not available right now, but you can purchase it from the website of Tomba. And here, this Tomba review video you can watch. Anyway, guys, I'm reviewing here Navbar, and on Navbar you cannot get the email. Basically, you have to use any other tool to get the email, but here you can get the websites of this targeted country or of this targeted industry. Basically, see, these are the US service or US dental business. See, these are the websites who are working on US, and these are the businesses who are working on India. So in this way you can find your targeted B2B businesses, guys. And by using any tool like Tomba or like any other tool you can use. See, I have messaged them here. Let me show you. I have messaged them uh, by writing, I can only get the business website, right? It would be nice if I can get the B2B email also. And he replied that yes, you can export list from Brandnav and use tools like email finder or snob.io to find the email. So they are recommending here to use email finder and snob to find the emails. Also, you can use these two tool, guys. And if you do not want to use this two tool, then you can also use Tomba. See, this is the website of Tomba, guys. I hope you can see. It's very amazing tool. You can use this tool. I'm recommending you to use this tool. Also, you can use Snow.io if you want. These are the things. I hope you get idea, and the concept behind this Brandnav tool, guys. You can get your targeted B2B leads by using this amazing tool. I hope you get idea. See, here are the things, guys. And now let's say you want to export it. You can export it just by clicking here export, and then it will be exported. And see here, enter the number of rows to export. So you can enter the number of rows to export. Let's say I will export here only 30 result. You can export more if you upgrade to this brand name lifetime deal, basically. And then here there have the option choose the column to include in your export. Let's say I want to include the city attribute available. I want to include everything, let's say. But in your case, let's say you do not want any specific attribute. In this case, you can deselect it. So let me select everything here. Let me select everything, guys. I'll show you what it will provide us. Let's say I'll select everything. Now if I continue it, and then here I have to give one name. Let's say Passivern video. And then here I have option select the previous export that you want to exclude from this export. Let's say I do not want this, and then now I'll just click here export file, and then it will be exported, I hope. Okay, that's saying that export link will be sent to your link. So let me go to my email. See, guys, here is my email, and they have sent me the export file. Now I'll download the file from here. Let me download it. Now I'll open it, and then I'll show you how it will look like. See, here is the exported file, guys, and here are the result. Here you will get average product price, estimated monthly. I'm not sure what it is. Let me increase it. See, guys, here are the result, and this is the export result. As you can see, here you will get the average product price. Here for every company you are not getting the information, guys. Some companies are undefined, as you can see, but see, for this company the average price is 387 USD. And here estimated monthly sale you will get, maximum product price you will get, then minimum product price you will get. See, there have some zero. So minimum product price is not zero. Why? Because they are here undefined. See, if it's undefined, then this maximum and minimum product price is zero. So these are the things. And monthly take spend you can get from here. Then here are the industry details you will get, then city, and then combined social media followers, then country, from which country they are, their currency, their domain. So this one is very important, guys. This domain column is very important, I think. Also you are getting here. Let me show you. Employees head count, Facebook username, their Facebook like, Facebook URL, their attribute available. See which attributes are available, contact page, tracking or returns, return page, tracking page, these things are available. And then their Instagram handle, Instagram follower, post, Instagram URL, language, see their language, their LinkedIn URL, Pinterest, Pinterest follower, Pinterest post, Pinterest URL, their platform you can see from here, then product variant, then product sold, shipping partner, and then state, then technology stack, see which technology they are using, you can get idea from here. Then they have TikTok and TikTok followers, Twitter followers, then Twitter URL, their YouTube URL, YouTube subscriber. So these things you will get. So a lot of data we are getting here, but the thing that we are not getting here, the email. So it would be nice if we can get the emails also here. I hope you get idea, guys. And here one another thing I think they can improve. Let's say I do not want this rich smilingdesign.com data. I want this pureprox.in data. It would be nice if I can select specific websites that I can export. I hope you get idea, guys. So this feature they will add in future. I hope. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Brandnav IO tool. They are offering their lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you think, guys, you need this type of lead generation tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Brandnav lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this Brandnav lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Brandnav lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.